Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into something super useful. How to split name in the passport if it is all jumbled up in one field. I mean in the first name while renewing the passport, I have got you covered. So sit tight, hit subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started. I am sharing my experience when I am not in the country and having entire name in the first name with no surname. Let's go to the screen now. Process is simple, you just need to access VFS Global site. You can simply Google it and I can give you the link in the description as well. Let me show you. The first link is for the VFS Global site. As you are here for passport, just go for apply for passport. VFS site will tell you the steps to follow. Like step 1, you will need to create an account in passport site and fill the form. Just be careful while you are filling the form. Step 2, it will tell you the important documents and which document you will need to self-attest or wish to get notarized. And the final step, pay the fees and get the shipping and return label of FedEx for the nearest consular office. So let's get started with step 1. So the link will redirect you to the passport website. Just select your country, like I'm selecting USA, and register yourself. So you will need to register using this option. Once it is created, you can just log in and start filling the form. I have already registered myself, so I will go with the user login. Select the ordinary passport for renewal. Select the reissue and provide the reason for splitting the name change. Select the first one and select the first name and surname. You can select others as well if you want to get those updated. Go to the normal type. It only takes 7 to 10 days. It took 7 days for me. Select the 36 pages. 60 pages will cost you more. Then it is all yours for filling the form. If any doubt, put that in comment. I will respond. Once you are done with the filling of the form, you can come back to VFS site and then proceed with step 2. You can just select your passport type. Then here you will be able to see all the passport fees and the documents required. If you are an adult, you will need to follow this section, and if minor, then the right side. You can download each and every document, whatever fits for you, and you can just start filling those. For now, I will show you how to fill the name change document. You can download this document, and once it is open, you can just scroll down and here you will need to fill the form. If you have Adobe license, you will be able to edit it. If not, you can just check for online tools. After filling it, this form will look like this. You can pause it, read it, or you can take screenshot of it. I will zoom it and show you. So this is how you will need to fill it. If you have any confusion, you can surely reach out to us on the comment. When I was searching for the guidance, I struggled a lot and I found Ashuni Notary services. I was just quick and contacted her over the WhatsApp and she replied to me within few minutes and she has assisted me. You can also contact her. You can just visit her website and everything is there. I will put the details in the description as well. If you found this information useful, please let me know in the comments. Share this video with someone who might need it. Support us by liking this video and thank you so much for watching.